Gareth Sheridan, the businessman, do you reckon he'll be on the ticket at this stage?
I can't see it, to be honest. Like, especially Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael councillors will most likely not back him. I don't think he's given any... His campaign has got off to a bad start, such as, if you can call it a campaign. Do we know anything about why he's running? I don't think so. We're not really exactly entirely sure who he is. He's never run for anything before, ever. Has he been involved in any community activism? Not that we're aware of. I mean, Sean Gallagher, last time around, who was the sort of businessman candidate, had been involved in some more grassroots organisations. Gareth Sheridan has been out of the country, and his first press conference, in which it became notable that he believed there was some sort of campaign to undermine him, suggesting that was coming from someone who was formerly in business with him, Sean Gallagher. I mean, that just, I think, worked against him.
People associated with Sean Gallagher.
Gallagher. I mean, I think that just kind of raised questions as to, why is he running? Is this part of some settling of scores here, or what exactly does he want this?
What's going on? Yeah, again, another person who didn't seem to realise that when you run for president, you get asked questions and stuff gets dug up about you.